Welcome to the Intuitive Solutions online trainings. Intuitive Solutions provides sales, implementation, training, and support for SuiteMed. We also offer billing services as well as data hosting. You can find us online at www.intuitivesolutions.net or call our toll-free number at 877-889-1011. My name is Dwayne Prejean, and I will be training today on the patient's custom fields. The first thing we need to do is log into the software, pick our patients, and click on our custom fields. I've already created some custom fields, and I'd like to show you the ones I've created, and then we will discuss how I did create them. Notice that when I've selected them, I have 6 that I've created already. An organ donor is an alphanumeric field. A blood type is a single selection. You can only have one blood type. Our conditions is a multi-select item. I can have one, or I can have all, or maybe just a few. Our living will is what we consider a radio option. It's a single select, really quick. Live births is a numeric field, and our anniversary would be a date field. I can also clear all or save and then close. The way that we will set up our custom fields for use is under Setup and choosing Admin. Under Setup of Admin, we can select Custom Fields. I have up to 100 custom fields that I can create. The 6 that I've created are up on the top. I can simply put my check mark for the select to make it active, put in a description that would prompt the user as to what that custom field is used for, and then pick a type. A string as a type is alpha or numeric. I have 3 types: string, numeric, and date, and we will cover all of them. But because our organ donor number is a string value, which can be alpha or numeric, I will leave it as string. The style of the box is text, much like typing in a first name into a text box. We will discuss each one of these as well. The next one is a blood type. From the example before, you have only one blood type. It is a string, and it is a list item. One can be picked from the list. To associate the values with it, we will click on the F7 or our icon for it, and then populate the values that the user can select from. If you need to make an addition, simply click on Add and add all of your criteria to the list values. The next option was our conditions. It is a string. Remember, it's alpha or numeric. It is a multi-list item, which means I can pick multiple from the list, not like our list item where we must pick only one. I will click on my F7 to show you the values. I can add any more that I would like just by clicking on Add. The next one is our living will. That was a radio button. It is also a string. Has a radio button. And then I can F7 for my options: yes, no, or unsure. Live births we had as a number. Therefore, it's numeric. It won't prompt you for a style. It's simply a box where we type in a number. Our anniversary was a date. It also does not prompt for any type of style. It's simply you typing in a date. Let's go back and review them for the patient that we have as our example. And once again, a review of the custom fields that we've selected and created. Our organ donor is a text box. I chose string so that I can put in alpha or numeric. A blood type is a single select list item. I can only pick one. Our conditions was a multi-select value. I can pick 1, 2, or all. Our living will was a radio option. It allows for a single select of those available for selection. Our live births was a numeric field. Our anniversary was a date field. I can save or clear all the options. This concludes the training on custom fields.